This is a 2015 ScanStone 4 Weber Destoner. From the front, open front system with the hydraulically controlled intake discs. It's got the shock drawbar on the slightly older 4-stud hook. Got adjustable intake discs, multi-blade share, which would need replaced really. Discs would need replaced either pre-season or mid-season. 37mm front web, 4-band, PTO shaft complete. 37 second web, 37 third web, 32 rear web. And as you can see, the machine's been in dry storage, although it's not been washed off, just to protect the bearings. Has a 6-stud axle with a single displacement ram for more accurate steering control. So that's not a fully up-to-date axle, but it was up-to-date at the time. Leveling, automatic, cross conveyor. Drive shoes look to be in reasonable condition. Then it has a stone box, star style, with the polyurethane stars. You definitely start the season on these stars. May have to replace them throughout, but they're not too bad. Got a reflector missing here, which would obviously be replaced before it goes out. Fully belt driven and fully web spec'd in the middle of the machine. There's options on having this machine fully serviced and respec'd to customer request.